Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Sonal Chowdhury, Assistant Professor of Food Technology. In this video, let us try to understand about vinegar production process. In the market, we can see that there are various types of vinegars is available. The question arises in our mind that how the vinegar is produced, what is the mechanism of action behind production of the vinegar. So let us understand it. So, the process of vinegar production is a two-step process in which first step is alcoholic fermentation and second step is acetic acid fermentation. It means first the alcohol is produced and then acetic acid is produced. We know that vinegar is also known as acetic acid. First step in vinegar production is production of alcohol, that is alcoholic fermentation. For alcoholic fermentation, any agricultural waste or fruit juice can be used as the raw material. It means any raw material that contains sugar in it can be used as the raw material for alcohol production. For alcohol production, the most important biological agent used to carry out the fermentation process is yeast. In case of vinegar production also, the alcohol production is carried out by use of efficient yeast like Saccharomyces ellipsoides, Saccharomyces melli and Saccharomyces cerevisiae. If the raw material contains starchy substances, then Saccharomyces cerevisiae is the best biological agent. In order to obtain better quality of vinegar, it is very important to destroy present microorganisms or naturally occurring wild yeast over the surface of raw material or fruit juices by heat treatment such as pasteurization. After pasteurization, the pure yeast is then inoculated into the raw material. Then the yeast are then supplied with the nutrients such as phosphates, ammonium, potassium salts and sugars. Sometimes sugars are naturally present in fruit juices, and if we are going to produce vinegar from honey or molasses like raw material, then the sugar is already present in such type of raw materials. The most important favorable temperature for growth of the yeast is 25 to 27 degree Celsius. It means we have to maintain this temperature throughout the fermentation process. Fermentation becomes abnormal at 38 degrees Celsius and stops altogether at 41 degrees Celsius and below 7 degrees Celsius. So what happens in the alcoholic fermentation? The chemical reaction occurred in alcoholic fermentation is explained here. The sugar, that is glucose or fructose or the fermentable sugar, undergoes anaerobic fermentation by addition of the biological agent like yeast under anaerobic condition, and it will result into formation of ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Next step in vinegar production is acetic acid fermentation, which is also known as acidification. Acidification is brought about by use of acetic acid bacteria. These acetic acid bacteria are strongly aerobic, but activity is greatly reduced by presence of light, and thus by maintaining the aerobic condition but carrying out the fermentation process in dark will help in production of acetic acid. The nutrients required for acetic acid bacterial growth are generally present in alcoholic liquor itself. But in case of distilled alcohol, malt sprouts, phosphoric acid, potassium carbonate, trisodium phosphate and ammonium hydroxide are added as nutrients. For acetic acid fermentation, the alcohol content of the fermented mash is adjusted to 7 to 8% by dilution with water. Because acetic acid bacteria do not grow well at higher concentrations of alcohol. Means the alcohol produced in the earlier step, if it contains the higher percentage of alcohol, then we have to dilute it in the range of 7 to 8%, and then that alcohol should be used as the raw material for acetic acid fermentation. After the adjustment of alcohol content, mother liquor that contains acetic acid bacteria is added at the rate of 1 part to 10 part of the fermented mash in order to check the growth of undesirable microorganisms and to hasten the fermentation process. So the chemical reaction of acetic acid fermentation is shown here. Ethyl alcohol, which is produced in the first step, is reacted with oxygen because this is the aerobic process, and hence the oxygen is added to alcohol. A bacterial agent, that is acetic acid bacteria, will carry out the fermentation process under aerobic condition and dark conditions, that is free from light, which results into the formation of acetic acid and water. Hope you have understood the process of vinegar production. Thank you.